We are Moorfield Industries. This is Sue, our quality manager. I'm Dean Bennett, the general manager. Was established in 1990. We're a contract packers and manufacturing, mainly for the automotive industry, but we have since ventured into other areas of manufacturing. Why we started the sustainability journey was because it was back in 2018 we realised that rising energy cost was spiralling out of our control. So with a government-backed incentive, we decided to put some cost-effective measures in place. We ramped this up in 2021 when we saw the benefits from this government grants.
We signed up to Zellar because it was one of the platforms that was recommended when we took the carbon literacy qualification through the university. And when we had a look at the platform, we realised that it would really help us in our journey, as it were. We had vague ideas, but Zellar gives you a benchmark and then gives you an action plan, basically. So, yeah, it's very helpful.
When we started this process in 2018, our energy bill, believe it or not, has not really gone down, but it's never gone up. As the energy prices rose, our energy usage has gone down, so we've stayed the same. It was very competitive. I'm certainly glad we did it because we're not as worried as other places are with the energy rises. The changes we've made to Moorfield Industries 2018, we've installed a new compressor. We've changed over 200 LED light fittings. We've also put a monitoring system in where we can control the energy usage from remote access. We've changed water heaters, replacing the old tanks. So we've really strides in all sorts, but we've not finished there. So it's, yeah.
So as a contract packer, we do get through an awful lot of cardboard and plastics and a few other smaller amounts of material. We've actually got a really good relationship with a local recycling firm now, and I think we're up to about 90%,
Yes.
thereabouts of the waste now is taken away and recycled. So virtually all the cardboard, plastics, we're increasing our plastic recycling, and we're looking to keep progressing this by installing things like recycling bins in the canteen and, really knuckling down with that.
We have also noticed that our customers, they're getting told by their customers that they've got to come up with different plastics, and that's had a knock-on effect to them and it's had a knock-on effect to us. So the supermarket seems to be playing a big part and it's going down the chain. So hopefully with Zellar we want to be at the forefront of it rather than lagging behind.
Yeah, it's kind of consumer driven.
Yeah.
So when you want to buy something that's packaged in a relatively friendly packaging, that feeds back to the supermarket, which then inevitably feeds back to manufacturers such as us.